Good afternoon, guys. Sorry, I joined a few minutes. Got distracted. I got distracted. How has been your day? I believe you can hear me. Please confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me. Confirm the sound. How has been trading today? Have you seen any setup? Have you seen any setup? I haven't executed any trades so far. Like I told you guys, I would like to wait for the major news to be released before taking a trade. Okay. The news will be released by 1:30. News will be released by 1:30. Please confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me. Confirm you can hear me. Can you guys hear me? So I'm looking for on Euro USD. I'm looking for sales on Euro USD. Looking for buys. Again, Euro USD. USD. Looking for buys. Okay. Dollar is set for buy. Sorry, we are looking for sales on those pair, please. We are looking for sales. Okay, sales on EU. Afternoon, Joseph. We are looking for sales on EU, GU, AU, NU. We are looking for buys on UJ, UCAD, USD, CHF. Look for buys on those pairs, okay? So let's see. Okay, news will be released by, let's see, by 1:30. Okay. Pair you want us to look at? Any pair you want me to analyze? Drop it in the comment section. Because I just forgot. Any pair you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. If there's any pair you want me to analyze, let me know in the comment section. Please help me manage it. Manage it. I believe you can hear me clearly. That's the main thing. You can hear me right? What pair do you want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. I'm waiting for your comment. I'm waiting for your comments.
I say I won't teach you this kind. I won't volunteer on Monday. And here you day.
Waiting for your comments.
We are the committee.
Can you guys hear me?
Okay, fine.
What pair do you want me to analyze? Drop it in the comment section. Drop it.
Yes.
GBP JPY. Mr. Joseph. Okay. Few minutes. GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let's see GBP JPY. Let's see GBP JPY. GBP. Guys, please ensure you apply good risk and money management, please. Okay. GBP JPY is still bullish. GBP JPY is still bullish.
I tell you.
Okay. GBP JPY is still bullish. GBP JPY is still bullish. It's still bullish. GBP JPY is going for this high. That is the next target on GBP JPY. Is aiming for this. Okay. That's the target for GBP JPY. Okay.
Yeah.
That's the target for GBP JPY. Is that clear, Mr. Joseph? If you are considering selling
your money is ready.
GBP
I have your
JPY,
money ready. Just give me go ahead.
if you are considering selling, you should wait for price to break this support zone. Wait for support zone. But with what we have here, GBP JPY is still very bullish. Okay, it is still very bullish. Okay, it's still very bullish. Exactly, it's still very bullish. Okay, is there another pair we want us to look at? Let's look at the USD pairs. Let's see DXY. I think it's set for buy. DXY is set for buy. So if the news comes out negative for CAD, if the news comes out negative for CAD, you should buy USD CAD. Let's see. If it is negative for CAD, buy USD CAD. Okay, positive, positive. Just wait for a little retracement. Wait for a little retracement before you buy.
Yes.
Okay, wait for a little retracement before you buy.
Exactly.
Since it's positive, wait for a little retracement on CAD before you buy. USD, you can see US dollar index. Okay.
I'm not tired. I'm ready.
US dollar index.
Just use me.
Wait for.
Okay, use me the way you want. Use me.
Just wait for 1 hour candle to close above this level. Okay. Wait for 1 hour candle to close above this resistance. Okay. Before you take it. Okay. So if by 2 p.m. a candle closes above this resistance, you can buy. Okay. If a 1 hour candle closes above this resistance, you can buy USD CAD. Exactly, buy USD CAD above if DXY closes above this level. Buy, okay? Let's see what's happening on GBP USD. Wow. GBP USD, we are looking for sales. The bearish reversal pattern forms on GBP USD, sell it. Once a bearish reversal pattern forms on GBP USD, sell it. Okay, so these are the zones you should consider selling. We have a fair value gap here. Probably you just want to fill this fair value gap before going bearish. Okay. Okay, then we have another fair value gap here. These zones you should consider selling GBP USD. If a bearish reversal pattern forms after it fills this gap, sell. If price breaks out from this gap, then look for sell at this zone. Okay, look for sell at this zone. I think this will be, this is more key than this zone. Reason is that we have a mitigation block here. We have a mitigation block here on. We have a mitigation block here, and we have a support stone resistance. So there's a high probability they might come to this area before selling. Okay, but if a bearish reversal pattern forms here, then look for sell. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Is that clear? That's my take on GBP USD. If a reversal pattern forms, yes. If price breaks out from this zone, then you should wait for price to fill this fair value gap before you sell. I hope that is clear. USD CAD. We are looking for buys on USD CAD. Okay, look for buys on USD CAD. Okay, if you want to buy USD CAD, you could just patiently wait. Patiently wait for price to close above, let me see, 5 minutes. Okay, good, good, good. So wait for 5 minutes, sorry, 1. If by 2 p.m. a candle closes above this resistance, okay, then you should buy. This is a breaker. Okay, this is a breaker. Wait for 1 hour candle to close above that breaker before you buy. Okay, wait for 1 hour candle to close above this breaker before you buy. I hope that is clear. That is clear. let's see what's happening with USDJPY. Okay, USDJPY. It's buy. Look for buys on USDJPY. Let me start with the look for buys on USDJPY. Okay, look for buys. See 1 hour. Okay, so previous 1 hour close looks like an hammer. You can see price has tested this zone several times. You can see price has attempted this level several times. Can you see this? And there has been a lot of rejection from that zone, from that area. Let me go down to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, we have this here on 15 minutes. The price has tested that. So you can see price has tested this level several times. The previous 4-hour candle was bullish. So let's go down to 15 minutes. So I think UJ is set for buy. UJ is set for buy. UJ is set for buy. I think the market 1-hour candle has closed above, or yeah. Okay, wait for 1 hour. Please wait for 1-hour candle to close above this level. If by 2 the market is trading above this level, then you can buy. You can buy UJ. Please ensure you apply good risk and money management. Ensure you apply good risk and money management. Okay, look for buys above this level. If 1-hour candle closes above this level, buy UJ. Australian dollar USD. I think I've analyzed Australian dollar USD. Australian dollar USD. Sell Australian dollar USD. Look for sell on Australian dollar USD. Look for sell. Okay, look for sales on Australian dollar USD. Let's see 1 hour. Okay, look for sell. If price breaks out from this support, probably price might pull back to fill this fair value gap. Price might pull back to fill this fair value. Price pulls back to fill this fair value gap it's created here. Okay. Let's go to 15 minutes. Okay, so if price breaks out from, if price pulls back to this zone, you could look for sell. Okay, look for sell around this zone or sell below this breakout. Okay, if 1 hour closes below this support, you can sell, or price pulls back to this zone for you to sell. Okay, so if you are selling from this zone, stop loss should be at this level, and if you are selling from this zone, your stop loss should be few pips at the high of this candle. Okay, that's my take on Australian dollar USD. Either price breaks out from this level for sell, or price pulls back into this zone for us to sell. That's my take on Australian dollar USD. Any question? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know. Is there any pair you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. For sales on GU, AU, NU, EU. Today is Friday, so don't aim for too much. If you can get 50 pips from the trade, good. 50 pips. Your target should be between 50 and 60 pips because today is Friday. Okay, today is Friday. Go for 50, 60 pips. Risk between 25 and 30 pips. Aim for 50, 60 pips. I hope that is clear. we'll be looking for sales on GU from this zone. Sell GU from this zone. See EU. EU also, probably they want to come clear liquidity reset at this previous high. I'll look for sales on EU. Okay. Look for sales on EU. AU sells. Okay. Wait for price to pull back before you sell. Okay. By between 2 and 3, you should find the opportunity to sell. Okay. USDJPY buy. USDJPY is bullish. USD CAD is bullish. Like I said, since the news was positive for CAD, which expects little retracement. Should expect little retracement on USD CAD. Okay. So you could look for buys above this resistance. If 1 hour candle closes above this resistance, that will be opportunity to buy. I think what played out here, this is on 5 minutes. Price has pulled back. You can see a fair value gap was created here. Price pulled back at this point, and you know, though it didn't fill the fair value gap entirely, but price tested that area. Okay, so and a lot of retail traders would have executed buy after the formation of this candle, right? Some will see this as an hammer, and you can see here also we had a spinning bottom. So retail traders would have executed buy, and their stop losses will be at this low. So they might want to come clear the stop losses at this low. So it's either they come clear the liquidity here, or price breaks out from the resistance for you to buy. Okay, so if price comes to clear the liquidity, after liquidity gets cleared, wait for a bullish reversal to form before you buy. Okay, so it's either liquidity gets swept or price breaks out from this resistance. That's what you should be looking out for on USD CAD. That is what you should be looking out for on USD CAD. Is that clear? EU, okay, Mr. Chris, EU. Okay, let's look at EU. Like I said, EU is sell. I've told you where you should look for sell on EU. Okay, we have this zone on EU. Okay, they might want to come and clear the liquidity residing at this previous high on EU. Okay, look for sell, or we still have a fair value gap here that has not been filled. These are the two areas you should be considering sell. These are the areas or zones you should be considering selling EU. Look for your sell setup around this zone on EU. Okay, so if I'm going to sell EU, if a bearish reversal pattern forms after price fills this this gap or clear the liquidity here, I'm going to sell from this zone. And my stop loss, I would ensure my stop loss is above this level. Probably I would set my stop loss here. So that will be about 30 pips, and I'll for at least 50 pips on EU. Okay, so that's my take on EU. I'm going to sell from this zone, then for 50 pips, my stop loss 30 pips. That's my take on EU. Okay, that's my take on EU. Look for sell. Let me see, 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. If by 2 the market is still trading below this level, if by 2 p.m. the market is trading below the low of this candle, I would sell Euro USD. If by 2 p.m. the market, a candle closes below the low of this candle, I would be selling Euro USD. Okay, I would be selling Euro USD. Okay, so this is USD CHF also. Look for buys and look for buys on. Let me start with the 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour, I think we had a fair value gap here on 4-hour USD CHF. As you can see, price has already pulled back fill that fair value gap. Can you see the fair value gap? We had a fair value gap here. Price has been pulled back. That gap has been filled. So by 2, the market closes, or this candle closes above this fair value gap. That will be an hammer. That will be an hammer pattern. So the right time to take a okay, that will be the right time to take a buy. Let's see what we have on 1 hour. Oh, this is confirmed. This is confirmed. You could also wait for price to close above the high of this candle. Maybe wait for 1 hour before you take a buy trade. But personally, I wouldn't wait. If by 2, the market is trading above this area, I would. You can see here we have a mitigation. Can you see this? We had a mitigation block here. Can you see this block? You can see this block. This is the mitigation block. This is a mitigation block. So this is a buy on USD CHF. Okay. So I think that. You have any question, any other question, any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know if you have any question. Now liquidity has been cleared on USD CAD. They've cleared the liquidity. Okay. So look for buy opportunities. Look for buy setup. Look for buy setup. You could even go as low. You can go to 5 more minutes once you see a valid bullish reversal pattern. Okay. So you could just wait for, if by 2, a candle, 1 hour candle closes above this high, you can look for buy. You can look for buy. If 1 hour candle closes above this level, look for buy. It has been swept. Okay. You can see on 1 minute we have this is an hammer. This is an inverted hammer. This is an inverted hammer. So we already have candlestick patterns indicating change in trend on 1 minute. But let's wait. I always like to see the 15 minutes and 1 hour, candles. I like to see those candles close before I take a trade. 15 minutes and 1 hour. So if 1 hour candle or 15 minutes candle closes above this high, it tells me that okay, the traders, those who are trading 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame are ready to buy USD CAD, and that will be the right time to buy USD CAD. Is that clear? So guys, that will be all for this session. I appreciate you for your participation. So this will be the last session for this week. I believe this week has been profitable for you as it was for me. This week has been a great week for me. It's been a great week for me. So much people this week. And I hope that is your experience. I hope that is your experience this week. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye for now.